The remnants of Helene continue to devastate the southeast, killing at least 40 and leaving millions without power. It came ashore along Florida's Gulf Coast last night as a Category 4 hurricane.
Entire houses are missing or flattened in on themselves.
Michael Presley Bobbitt captured these images of Cedar Key this morning, just south of where the hurricane slammed into Florida, packing sustained winds up to 140 miles per hour and a 15-foot storm surge.
With this one, the vehicle was traveling in through the water, and the vehicle started to float, and it floated off the roadway. They were able to get out of the vehicle and get on top of the vehicle.
Overnight in Atlanta, rescue teams brought a couple, their baby, and 2 dogs to safety. Even as Helene is weakening, it is still a threat to communities in the Carolinas and Tennessee.